Happy morning, children. We will start practice set 8.2 fourth question. Now, in the fourth question, it's given to you the quadrilateral is a rectangle and the diagonal of a rectangle is 26 centimeters. So, I have drawn here rectangle PQRS, and the diagonal is what? It is the segment joining the opposite vertices P and R. They are opposite vertices. So, I have drawn here PR. Now here they have given diagonal's length is 26 centimeter. So I have written here given PQRS is a rectangle, and what is SR? SR is length of the sides of a rectangle. So and one side is 24 centimeter. So one side I have taken 24 centimeter and this diagonal I have taken 26. It is already given here. So I have written here separately. What is PR? PR is a diagonal 26 centimeter. SR is 24 centimeter. Find the other side. Find the other side means what will remain? This side we have to find. Find length of PS. Now you see here, for a rectangle, you know the properties that opposite sides are equal. So if this is 24 centimeter, PQ is opposite. Side PQ is opposite to side SR. So this you can directly write 24 centimeter. Okay, and you have to find, as I said, length of other side. They have said means one side you have to find, because it's understood that I know these two because they are opposite. If I find length of PS, opposite to length of PS, the side is QR. So if length of PS, whatever answer I get, length of QR will also remain the same. So you can write find length of PS, and length of PS is equal to length of QR. So any one if you mention, it will be enough. We can mention QR also. But if we are showing QR, then we will draw like this one more diagonal. Okay, but which is not needed because for a square and a rectangle, diagonals are congruent only. So same answer you are going to get. So we will start with quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle that is given to you. And for finding this, it's very easy. This is 90 degree. Now if this is 90 degree angle S, then triangle PSR is a right angle triangle, because each angle is a right angle. This is also 90 degree. PSR becomes a right angle triangle. If it's a right angle triangle, you can use Pythagoras theorem. PR, the diagonal PR is a hypotenuse, as we did in when we were doing square example of a square that time. It's a hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So out of three sides, two sides we are knowing, third unknown we don't know, that we can solve. So that easy it is. So it's a rectangle given. Then we will write second, measure of angle PSR is equal to 90 degree. Reason, property of rectangle. Property of rectangle. Then third point will be this. Then we can write triangle PSR is a right angled triangle. Reason, from here we have got, because PSR is a right angle. So we can write from statement second. Okay. Now fourth, what we will write, because it's a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Length of PR square is equal to length of PS square plus length of SR square, which is equal to, now what is PR? Length of PR is 26. So we can substitute. I'll just leave one line and write length of PR is 26 square is equal to. So you can see here PR is 26. So I'm just substituting. And what is SR? SR is 24 and PS we have to find. So we can write here 26 square is equal to PS we don't know, we will keep it as it is. PS length of PS square plus SR is 24 square. Now this all we are writing by using this statement, statement 4, and the given values. So two reasons we can write. First we will write given and statement 4. These are the reasons. So like this, if you write reasons and you solve, then your concepts becomes easier, and then in 9th and 10th you will not have problem. That is the reason. So now we will get here 26 square. You have to do the calculation now. 26 into 26 is 676, which is equal to length of PS square plus 24 square. 24 square is 576. So now what we will do, we will keep here the 7th point. We will take this is plus 576. We will take it to LHS. It will become 676 minus 576, which is equal to, now this reason what we will write here. See, we have substituted 6th we wrote is equal to plus all this from statement 5. This like this we can write, and this we have taken it. So this we are writing because of statement 6. We cannot write statement 7 unless and until the 6th one is written, because we have taken it 576 to LHS because it is to RHS. So the signs are going to change. This basics you should know. So we will write from statement 6. Just statement 5, statement 6 you write, that will be enough. So now 676 minus 576 will be 100. So we will write here 100 is equal to, therefore 100 is equal to length of PS square. Now we will take square root on both the side, taking positive square root because it's a length. So we are taking positive square root on both the sides. What we will get? Square root of 100 will be 10, which is equal to number 8. Here we will not give the numbering. We have just subtracted and written. So 10 is equal to length of PS. Okay. Sorry, this we have to cancel. So we can write here reason taking positive square root on both the sides. 10 is equal to length of PS. So length of PS means the other side which we have found. So if length of PS is 10, length of QI will also be 10, opposite sides of a rectangle. If you want, we can write. Okay, because already it's given here, one side we have written find length of PS. So we know that these two are opposite. We can write length of PS is equal to length of QR. So this 2, like other side means that only the two sides are there, no remaining, because these two are equal as I told you. So we can write here number 9, length of PS is equal to length of QR is equal to 10. So we have not missed out anything. All the sides we have mentioned. We will write opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. So we have not missed out anything. All the sides measures we know. That is why I wrote it again for you all. Otherwise, it is not necessary. Once you one only length you write, that is also okay. But the concept should be clear. Any example is asked in exam, you should be able to solve. That is the reason.